As part of perimeter security, you will need to figure out how to control the following and how to set up the correct security procedure.
You can control where pedestrian and vehicular movement should go. Checks would be appropriate for each type. And you would need to have different levels of security for different zones. And you will also have designated individuals given access to specific secure zones. As a precaution, you can set up delaying mechanisms and buffers to protect against forced entry attempts. You should also keep the entry and exit points to an appropriate level. You will need to man these either using security personnel or through remote monitoring.
You can provide access control mechanisms through locks and keys and electronic card access system and personnel awareness. You can set up physical barriers by having fences, gates, walls, doors, windows, protected vents, and vehicular barriers. You could have intrusion detection through perimeter sensors, interior sensors, and annunciation mechanisms. The assessment can be done by the guards or CCTV cameras. You can respond to situations with guards or local law enforcement agencies.
Yeah, and you can also deter people from entering by displaying signs, having proper lighting, and designing the environment in such a way that it deters someone from trying to intrude. We're going to look at some of these different measures now.